Hi, this is Karen with LDTI, and this is the 8 inches Global Chef's Knife. One of the things that I really like about this knife is that the handle has this dimple pattern that offers comfortable and slip-resistant grip. To me, is a must-have on anybody's kitchen. We're constantly cooking in my house, so I need to have a really good knife, and especially when I'm chopping tomatoes. It can be really soggy, it can be really soft, but whenever I'm using my global knife, everything feels like I'm cutting butter. But at the same time, I can make julienne cuts in a very delicate vegetable, especially chile poblano. When it's cooked, it's very soft, so I can make those perfect cuts. But not just vegetables, also chicken. You know how hard can that be? And to me, this is just so easy to do. I can cut my chicken as thin as I want for whenever I need to grill it or do some other type of dish. And look at those onions, like they're so thin that you can see through them. And that's my point of view.